So let's turn the soldering. Plus this problem, yeah. I don't want to connecting here, this point. This one is ground, and ground sensor. The pattern is gone, but it doesn't matter. So remove the solder from here, or you can using Captain tape. This kind of tape, this aramid is really high heat resist, and for the electric things, just cover them up, soldering there, then you're free from the short. So let's put a ground first. Let's put some using soldering helper to put some solder in the wire. Okay, nice. Then let's put them here. The thin layer is important because if you make a high position like this, you will be getting problem because this is really low profile keyboard, not like the original keyboard thickness like this using palm rest. They have enough space inside to mounting the key like this, but this one is not, because this is really low profile mechanical switch keyboard, so you have to be worried about it. Okay, let's make them flat. Or solder wick, you can use them. This copper wick gonna be absorb the solder from the hidden thing inside. See, the holes came out, but there is a still alive ground, so I'm gonna put some tape till I put another cable right there, because this solder is really easy to stick together when it's getting hot. So white one gonna be before that. Okay, let's put this jumper cable to using data plus and minus. First, you should remove the coat of this enamel cable. There is a electric coat on the wire. Use your nail or this tool, scissor or knife, just gently remove all of that, because it looks like a live wire, but it's not. The solder, it's not going to be stick here. Okay, then we're gonna add some solder on this wire. Just make some it and just adding, just dip it. See, I'm not sure, but the tip of the color is going to be different. It means the solder is going in. Let's connect here first. Just line up and oh, come on. Okay. Next, remove the coat again. Let's put solder here. Don't using lighter, because the lighter, it causes melting all of the cable. It looks fine, but lately it can be crumbled. Just slightly touch, it's going to be crumbled. adding some solder. The colors change. Now data minus. Line up and oh, come on. Looks like they're connecting at the tip. Okay. Came out. And the plus is left. Plus. Put some solder. Clean the tip. More. Okay. And the outline. Good. Then we have to be connecting to the USB Type-C here. Before that, solder on the cable. So white one is plus. Go here. Okay, and data plus. Carefully remove the step by step. You have to be soldering one by one, because if you do a data and plus from starting from the outside, it's pretty getting hard to soldering tiny wire like this for inside. Remove the coat. Okay, let's put some solder. Here too. Nice and shiny solder there. This is outside one, so it's a data plus. Yeah. So it will going data plus right there. Let's using tweezers. Okay. This will be data minus. Anyway, I know my video is not that funny. This is just a recording case for if it's going to be broken or something, to rewinding for checking. And I don't have any kind of tools for take a video, so I just one shot, one opportunity, yeah. for take a video. I think this one I need to cut it. Put some solder there. Relining. Ground. Come on. Okay, let's fix that. Done. Fully fixed it. I'm gonna cover it later after it checked the working. So technically there is no problem for this. Yeah, maybe if it's gonna be shaking it can cause the short, but it looks like fine. And yeah, we have to check in charging first. Sticker is upside. Connecting. Okay, I can see the lights here too. I'm not gonna be using cable from the wall. Maybe I have to be using a power bank. Just take a minute, I'm gonna bring that. Okay, I connecting USB Type-C. The green light, yeah, it's on. It means it's charging. And remove, turn it off. Maybe I need to check on my Steam Deck or laptop to, you know, it's like connecting to the G hub. Just wait for a minute before I close the shells and fixing onto the board. I need to check it. Okay, put on my Windows on Steam Deck. This is Windows 11. The dongle, the Bluetooth will not working for the firmware update. And let's turn it on. See, the volume knob is working. I'm not sure it's catching on video. Yeah, it says firmware need to firmware update. Let's connect the cables. This is the genuine, the Logitech G Pro X wireless headset C-type keyboard cable. C-type finally. Let's connect. Okay. Install. Let's see. Does it work? They said downloading, updating now. Okay. I can't see the charging light downside of the keyboard, but I'm pretty sure it will working. And this is the main important things. Yeah. The last thing is we just need to fix them firmly onto the board using what is that, the tracer glue, something like that. Successfully update for the firmware, and you can see 91% cabled and charging. If I deplugged the cable, see, it's gone. Connecting, it works. This is also same for the Logitech G Pro, the mouse. I'm going to show you. A lot of people asking for, does it work? This C-type guy, right? Yes, it is work. The dongle, put them in. Resource, download. For now, there is no charging, right? Remove this C-type from this Logitech G915tkl. Okay, and if I connecting, charging, it's wired, so fully work USB Type-C, the Logitech G Pro gaming mouse. It's really securely tight, and you can using the genuine Logitech cable, and this beautiful keyboard are also, now we got a USB Type-C port finally. Data and charging doesn't matter. Over 2 years using, just like my old one. Yep, just like this guy, it works. Yeah, so for now we need to close the shell, but before to close the shell, we have to be giving more friction here, and we have to be securely tight here. A little bit grinded off of the outside of the cable case, so this C-type port easily snug in, nice and snug. And a little bit cleaning, and put some foam, the pad inside. That's it. Let's pause the video. Formatting this port, you can using files to widen up to this C-type cable going in, something like that. All right, or simply you can cut it. But if you want to get a nice shape, you have to be using file. After filing, C-type cable is going in, and it's really nice. We can do nice shape like this because the 5-pin is smaller than the C-type. So let's put some this sound absorb things right down here. I already cut it on the shape, just like this. Yeah, and let's add some frictions for this side. The rubber is perfect. Just cut them. Roll it, shove it in. Even now, it's a little bit moving, so we have to give more frictions. Let's cut one more rubber. Damn, it's pretty hard. The size is like a 1/2 inch. 2 pieces. Some more. looks like. I need to wrap it using tape for increase the thickness. Put the rubber here. Yeah, this is it. This is it. No shaking and increase more friction. You can feel more stiff feeling. Before it's too much light and easy to roll it, but now perfect. Like I can more control, more a little bit detail delicately. Yeah. Now let's fix here. First I need to close. No, I need to wipe them up using isopropyl alcohol. After cleaning, I'm gonna using cover them. Okay, I clean it. Before closing, you must be double check all of this working. Okay, because after closing and fixing, if it's not gonna be work, you have to be disassemble again and check everything. And that is, I guarantee it's a pain in the ass. Let's double check after wiping. It's work. Okay, next step. Off. Go away. Just a little bit realign this wire. You have to be think on their position. Okay. Where's the back shells? Here. So we have to be put it like this. So, right? But there is a problem. This thing. I think we have to be cut it here. We don't need to upside down because this is USB Type-C port. So let's just cover. Use this tape for temporarily. I just want to see the outline of the housing. Does it make it problem with the shells after closing? So put it like this. Maybe I need to using double side tape. Okay, I securely cover in case of short. Securely tight. Let's cover them up. I didn't put battery yet. This is it. Look at this perfect shape. See, going in, charging. Yeah. Off, on, off. Super easy. Don't need to caring about more than 2 cables. Just one need to C-type cable for charging. And this device don't need to charging like every 3 days or something, because it will working like a almost like a month. So yes. And next, I need to reduce the shaking noise, the gap between the keycap and the switches. I'm gonna put some tiny piece of double-sided tape, acrylic one, really good, using 3M VHB. Put it the middle of each single switches. This one need to take a time, so I'm gonna a little bit stop the video also. And I'm going back after assemble all of these components. Okay, so now it's just fully covered. You can see the C-type. If I plugged in, battery charge by going on, it worked. The friction increased, so it's getting a little bit more better. No any shaking noise. If I remove the charging cable, okay. Now it's first time, so it's a little bit hard to put it in like that. But now it's gonna be getting better after use by use, right? Next is the shaking of the key switch. So cut the slice and dice just like this, double-sided tape like this, using your utility knife, just 1 mm by 1 mm. Position put into middle of each switch. Okay, it will take a lot of time, so I'm gonna pause the video. I'm going back after finished. Okay, so I finished to stick the bumper for the resist the noise and distance between the keycaps and the switch. You can see tiny things. This thing will not gonna be melting in the high temperature or several using on your key, because really nice quality of the 3M products. And acrylic, this one will using for the dash cam when you attach it into the below your glass of windshield of the car. So after 2 years using, there's no problem. Yeah, and it's not permanent fixing. Okay, so next thing is place the keycaps and stick the stickers. Okay, so zero noise, better filling, no howling sounds, no gap, and more stiff filling. This power button also didn't make a noise. And charging with USB-C cable. Thanks for watching, and if you want to know more about the C-type modifying, just leave the comment, and please subscribe, like, and yep, comment. Leave the comment. Thanks.